Hi guys, this is your coach Melody once again, and welcome to Life in Love Hacks. May mga relasyon na hindi nasisira dahil malaking betrayal lang nangyari, kundi dahil sa paulit-ulit na maliliit na disappointments. Isang beses hindi nagre-reply, okay ka pa. Isang beses nakalimot, pwede nating intindihin. Pero kapag paulit-ulit na kasi, kahit ilang beses mo nang sinasabi kung ano yung nakaka-offend sa'yo, eventually hindi na lang disappointment nararamdaman mo napapagod ka na. Kaya healthy relationships need more than apologies. They need change behavior. Kasi ang sorry minsan nawawala na ng meaning kapag hindi siya followed by actions. So if you keep saying sorry for the same things, but continually do the same offenses or mistakes, eventually your apology loses its meaning. So if your partner tells you, nasasaktan ako kapag ginagawa mo yan, don't immediately defend yourself. Makinig ka muna. Then try to understand and ask, ano bang pwede kong baguhin para maiwasan ko yung makasakit ako sa'yo. Kasi love isn't proven by how you apologize and how beautifully say sorry. It's proven by how you intentionally change for the better.